I want to ask you something. Do you have a dream? Is there something you really want to achieve in your life? Have you thought about what your goal is? If not, this is the perfect time to start. Having a goal in life is important because it gives you a reason to work hard and a direction to follow in life. Each of you has the power to do amazing things. You have special talents and strengths inside you, but to use them, you need to have a goal. It could be to become a great painter, a teacher, a doctor, or someone who helps others. What matters is that it's something you really truly care about and want to achieve. Listen, when you have a goal, it helps guide you. It gives you something to focus on, even when things get difficult. Life can be hard sometimes, and you might feel like giving up. But if you know what you're working towards, your goal will keep you going. Every small step you take brings you closer to achieving it. It's okay if your goal feels big or far away right now. Every great achievement starts with small steps. You don't need to do everything at once. Just take one small step at a time. And little by little, you will get closer to your dream. There may be challenges, but those challenges will help and will make you stronger. Remember, your goal is personal to you. It doesn't have to be what others want for you. You can choose your own dream, something that makes you happy. Be yourself, follow what you love, and focus on what brings you joy. Your dreams are important and you have the right to chase them. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving anything if you work hard and stay focused. Even when things are tough or if others doubt you, keep going. You are strong, and with patience and effort, you can make your dreams come true. So, what's your goal? Think about it today and don't be afraid to dream big. Here are some simple steps to help you achieve your goal. First, decide exactly what you want to achieve. Set a clear goal. Be specific about your goal so that you know what success looks like. And then break it down. Large goals can seem overwhelming, so break them down into smaller and manageable steps. Then create a plan. Make a plan for how you will accomplish each small step. Write down what you need to do and stay committed. Consistency is key. Even when things get tough, stick to your plan. There will be challenges and distractions, but staying committed will help you make progress over time. And then track your progress. Keep track of how far you come. This will motivate you to keep going. It could be as simple as crossing off tasks on a list or keeping a journal to see your improvements. And then stay positive and motivated. Believe in yourself and stay positive. Be flexible. Sometimes things won't go as planned, and that's okay. Be ready to adjust your plan if needed. Flexibility allows you to overcome obstacles and still move forward towards your goal. And then celebrate small wins. Don't wait until you reach your big goal to celebrate. Celebrate your progress along the way, even if it's small. This will keep you motivated and remind you how far you come. And learn from mistakes. If you face setbacks, learn from them and use those lessons to improve and move forward. And finally, stay focused on the big picture. Always keep your eye on the end goal. Whenever you feel tired or discouraged, remind yourself why this goal is important to you and how achieving it will make you feel. By following these steps, you can stay focused, motivated, and on track to achieve any goal you set for yourself. So, what's your goal again? Think about it today and don't be afraid to dream big. You can do it.